Hi, my name is Casey Labune, and for my discussion 2, Diagram of a Human Cell, I created earrings. Because why not make a model that I can wear every day to remind me of the components of a typical human cell? Let's start with the plasma membrane. The plasma membrane forms the outer boundary of a cell and maintains the integrity of the cell, separating the intracellular fluid from the extracellular fluid surrounding the cell. It also interacts with its watery surrounding and selectively regulates the movement of materials in and out of the cell. Next, we have the microvilli. These are numerous tiny extensions of the plasma membrane on certain cells. These allow for increased surface area to aid absorption of substances. Now let's talk about the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm contains the supportive framework of protein filaments and tubules, or the cytoskeleton, as well as organelles and inclusions, which are foreign matter or stored cell products. These are all embedded in the cytosol. The cytosol, or the matrix of the cytoplasm, is a gel-like fluid that surrounds the organelles. It is the site of numerous chemical reactions, including those involved in anaerobic respiration. And of course, we need to talk about the nucleus. The nucleus is the largest organelle and controls cellular functions. It contains chromosomes, the most important structure within the nucleus, and nucleoli. The nucleolus is a dense, spherical body within the nucleus and consists of RNA and protein, and is the site of ribosome production. Fun fact, a nucleus may contain more than one nucleoli. Then we have the nuclear envelope. The nuclear envelope surrounding the nucleus contains numerous nuclear pores that allow the movement of materials between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. Next, surrounding the nucleus, we have the endoplasmic reticulum. This is the system of membranes extending through the cytoplasm. It serves as support for cytoplasm and channels for material transport within the cell. It is also the site of protein and lipid synthesis. It comes in the form of smooth endoplasmic reticulum if it does not contain ribosomes, or rough endoplasmic reticulum if it does have ribosomes on the membrane. Ribosomes are tiny granules of rRNA and protein, either on the rough endoplasmic reticulum or free in the cytoplasm. This is noted by the tiny white spheres or the glitter in the cytosol. And of course, we have the mighty mitochondria. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell and is the site of aerobic respiration that forms ATP from breakdown of nutrients. Moving on, we have the Golgi Complex. The Golgi Complex is basically the UPS of the cell. It forms lysosomes as well as processes and sorts synthesized substances, such as proteins, into vesicles. The vesicles, tiny membranous sacs, then carry substances from place to place within the cell. Next, we have these churro-looking organelles called centrioles, or churros. Am I right? Okay, moving on. These two short cylindrical organelles are located near the nucleus. They are formed of microtubules and form the mitotic spindle during cell division. Next, we're going to talk about lysosomes, peroxisomes, and secretory vesicles. Lysosomes are formed by the Golgi complex and are small vesicles that contain powerful digestive enzymes, which digest bacteria, cell parts that need replacement, and entire cells that have become damaged or worn out. They are the cleanup crew. Peroxisomes resemble lysosomes but contain different enzymes. They are produced by the mitochondria and work with the endoplasmic reticulum. They are especially abundant in liver and kidney cells and neutralize free radicals and a variety of toxins. They also decompose fatty acids into 2 carbon fragments that can be used by the mitochondria to use as an energy source for ATP synthesis. Secretory vesicles transport substances to the plasma membrane and release them outside the cell. So there you have it, my diagram of a typical human cell in the form of earrings. Hope this helps in your deep dive into anatomy and physiology. And Professor, I'd be happy to make you a pair of these awesome cell earrings. For extra credit, of course.